Can you recover your Discord without your email access? Well, the answer depends on the kind of information that you still have with you. If you have any kinds of informations like your passwords or email, you'd be able to simply log in into your account. And to do so, what you want to do is you want to simply open your Discord. After that, you'd be able to see a sign-in page over here, which will look something like this. If you have your email or password remembered, you want to simply type it out over here. However, if you don't remember it, you want to simply click on forgot your password over here. By doing so, you'd be able to follow the prompts to recover your account. However, if you're still having any kinds of problem, you want to simply go to your Discord's customer support. You want to simply type on your browser, you want to simply tap on Discord support portal. After that, you want to click the Discord support portal over here. Here you want to simply scroll down and tap on contact us option over here. And here you want to simply tap on submit a request over here, and on that request you want to make an appeal for your account recovery. You want to simply type out all of your problems and how you lost your account with all of the details that you remember, and by doing so, if your appeal is valid, you'd be able to recover your Discord account. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.